Gardening Club is another one of many clubs that Northtown has to offer. It started in May of 2020 and is a great club for students to be a part of.
There was a lot of students struggling with mental health. I think a lot of virtual students, were just lacking interaction. It just seemed like an opportunity to create a club that would encourage kids to get together in a safe place because we could do it outside. Connect them more to nature, which I think is very calming for me, and I hope that students are also finding that the more that you understand, have a better relationship with nature, the more centered you feel, and it's also a great way to get together with like-minded people and just enjoy community. Well, right now we've just been planting mostly. We've got a few flowers in pots, and we have tomatoes, zucchini, cucumbers, peppers, a variety of herbs. And for the fall garden, we planted carrots and peas, kale, spinach, arugula, Swiss chard, and butter lettuce. And so next year I'm hoping that we can add more flowers and plant specific plants to attract birds and butterflies. And I also have students building furniture just to create a more comfortable and social space. So we've built a picnic table and a few chairs, and we purchased a fire pit that we hope to use as a social gathering place for some fall and winter events. Trying to put it more into the students' hands and see where they want to take the club. Getting involved in some community projects would be a nice thing to do, finding ways to get the club to give back to the community, and also try to get different teachers to use the garden as a way to enhance their curriculum. Curriculum integration would be another improvement we'd like to see happen.